When me and my team are thinking of captivating and engaging email content, I simply ask the question, well, what would pull you in? What would make you open an email from a brand in your inbox? Think about a brand or individual that you think sends really great emails. What do you love about the emails? What draws you in? What kind of subject line captures your attention? Of course, everyone is different, and some people might be more enticed by a big flashy offer in a subject line, whereas others may be more drawn to emails that promise valuable and helpful information. But a good place to start is to stop producing emails that just go on forever, churn out your brand news and feel salesy, and instead get creative and bold with your email marketing. Creating a visually pleasing and compelling design for your emails is important. But what is arguably even more important is the subject line. This is what your audience sees as the first sentence in their inbox when your email flies in. It's the line that's going to make them click open or send it to their trash. So it needs to have a level of clickbait to it to keep it intriguing for your audience, but also not over salesy, or it will be ignored. Here are some subject line themes and ideas you should write down and try. I will use Club 5, my brand, as an example in these sentences. Number 1, use your headline for inspiration. For example, 10 ways Club 5 can help you reach your goals and happiness. Or, you can make a difference to your life by trying our new program. Or you can show your audience who they could be like after they open your email. For example, level up your health with our new recipe ebook. Or, check out how our member Sarah reached her fitness goals in just 3 weeks. The next strategy is to use your subject to make your audience act fast. For example, last chance to join, or don't miss out on this one-time offer, or limited spaces available to join our community. Urgency can be a very powerful marketing method. And finally, one of my favorite ways to make your subject line interesting and stand out in a cluttered inbox is to be solution-driven. An example of this could be something like, this is the secret answer to improving your health that no one's ever told you. Or, discover a new solution to your motivation slump. So ideally, enticing your audience whilst pulling them in with an emotional trigger, such as their motivation, health, fitness, body image, whatever is relevant to your product and the solution it provides, is likely going to be a winner for your click-through rates. Once you've tried a few different subject lines, you'll begin to see what works from your analytics and then optimize that strategy. A/B testing is big in email marketing, which allows you to send the same email content but with different subject lines to see what your audience responds the best to, essentially which email gets the most opens.